How much did that one cost you?
That scope I think was probably like 150.
That's not too
and
bad.
the mounts. Okay, this is 7410 Ray, and I'm with CJ. Say hi, CJ.
Hi.
We're up at the range, and I had given you guys, let you guys know that we were going to go ahead and try those inserts. The inserts you're going to be using are these right here, and we're at 50 yards right now. And what you're doing is essentially you're taking the standard round 7.62 by 54R. You have a casing. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop the bullet in here, and we're going to try to get it on paper. Pretty much we load these one at a time, you know. And let's see how we do. Also too, when it shoots in the rifle, it's very, very quiet. These don't cycle like regular rounds. Okay, let's see if we can get on paper. Gosh, it sounds like a little tiny little. Does sound like a little cap gun, huh, compared to the norm?
Just an oversized cap gun.
I know, huh? Ooh, that one right there popped the primer, which is not good. And so, let me go get a. Yeah, that one popped the primer.
What?
Popped the primer. That means the.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
See, look at. Right there, you can take a look at it. Did I get on paper at all?
Nowhere in the black.
Huh. Alright, we put another one in there. Now, if you pop a primer with this, it's not so critical, but if you were to be popping primers with this, this thing doesn't have anywhere for the gas to escape out of here. So, just out of curiosity. Hey, did you bring your Mossin Nagant tools?
Yes.
I'm going to need to borrow that here in a second.
Yep.
But meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and shoot one more, see if it pops it again, and if it does, then, man, that's, oh, now, that's what a Mossin Nagant sounds like. Yeah, this one popped the primer too. Alright, we're going to go ahead and check that. Whoa. You don't want to come out. There we go, finally. Let me see the, for the bolt.
What?
The depth gauge for the tool.
Come again one more time.
Toss it. Here. Never mind, I got it. You put it there and I forgot to check it. So what we're going to do on this right here is we're going to check the depth or your tool. You have a go gauge and a no go gauge. So basically we're going to grab cock it down. So we got the pin. The first one that you can see here is a no-go gauge. And yeah, part on that one. And the first one, it won't go over. The second one it does. So according to this is correct. So Alright, 7410 Ray. I'm going to take a look at those targets here. We'll get back with you. 7410 Ray saying God bless America. Long live the Republic. And remember guys, freedom ain't free. How'd you do?
Well, I hit the black.